Chicharito. Raphael has made the run. Danny Welbeck has it. Van Persie calling for it. Van Persie rounds off a perfect start to 2013. Carrick. Kagura. Welbeck worked this well. Now for Patrice Evra. Evra drills it in. Van Persie! Exquisite! He's done it again! United 1, Liverpool 0, Robin Van Persie. Danny Welbeck picks out his great friend Cleverley. Cleverley's ball in. Van Persie's header. You just knew it would be him. He can't help but score goals. Here comes Rooney.
Watch your lane, watch your lane, watch your lane.
Raphael, what's he doing there?
Oh,
Onside this time. Van Persie, big moment in the game. Van Persie tries to go around the keeper. Van Persie scores! Great work from Robin Van Persie.